My dear viewers of Madani channel, inshallah today we'll be sharing with you another beautiful aspect of the blessed life of Ghaus Azam radiyallahu anhu. Amir Ahl Sunnat Daman Barakatuh Aliyah writes in his beautiful booklet, Jinn Resembling Snake, published by Maktabatul Madinah, that Ghaus Azam rahmatullahi ta'ala alayhi said, "Once I saw Shaitan sitting far away, throwing dust over his head. Shaitan then said, crying, 'O Abdul Qadir, I am disappointed to have failed to have led you astray.' I replied, 'O accursed one, move away. I can never be heedless of you.' Shaitan then said, 'This mindset of yours is very troublesome for me.' He then revealed to me many traps and tricks. I asked him about them, and he replied that those were the worldly traps through which he hunted people like me. In order to be safe from these tricks of Shaitan, I kept striving for a whole year until all the traps broke. Then lots of things appeared to me. I asked as to what those things were. I was told that those were the things which lead to heedlessness. I then strived for another year until those traps also broke. Sallu ala al-Habib, sallallahu ta'ala ala Muhammad, sallallahu alayhi wa sallam.
सल्लू अलल हबीब सल्लल्लाहु तआला अला मुहम्मद। मुझे अपनी और सारी दुनिया के लोगों की इस्लाह की कोशिश करनी है।